ओम नमः शिवाय मोर स्नेहर छात्र छात्री माने दीपसर ज्ञान यूट्यूब चैनल को स्वागत करुछि। आज पिला माने प्लस टू सेकेंड आर्ट्स कॉमर्स साइंस पिला मानक पई मु इंग्लिश रो गोटे सुंदर वीडियो आज उपस्थापन करुछि। पिला माने आगो को इंटरनल एग्जाम अछि। इंटरनल एग्जाम को आखि आगे रखी मु आज प्रोज रो माय ग्रेटेस्ट ओलंपिक प्राइज पोएट्री रो डैफोडिल्स नो डिटेल ऑफ द डॉक्टर्स व्हाट एंड नाइटिंगेल एंड द रोज এই চারটি বিষয়ের মু বছা বছা 2 মার্কিয়া ও 3 মার্কিয়া সিলেকশন কোশ্চেন বনেইছি। আজি তুমମାନଙ୍କ সম্মুখରେ ମୁଁ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିବି। ମୋର ଆଗ ଭିଡିଓରେ ପିଲାମାନେ ମୁଁ ଏମସିକ୍ୟୁ କୋଶ୍ଚେନ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିଥିଲି ଯାହାକି ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଆଦୃତ ହୋଇଥିଲା। ତେଣୁ ଆଜି ମୁଁ ବଛା ବଛା 2 ମାର୍କିଆ 3 ମାର୍କିଆ କୋଶ୍ଚେନ ଆଲୋଚନା କରୁଛି ଯାହାକି ପରୀକ୍ଷାରେ ଆସିବା ସୁନିଶ୍ଚିତ। ନିହାତି ପରୀକ୍ଷାରେ ଆସିବାର ସମ୍ଭାବନା ରହିଛି କାରଣ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ବିଷୟର ମୁଁ ବଛା ବଛା କୋଶ୍ଚେନ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଆଜି ମୁଁ ତିଆରି କରିଛି ଯାହାକି ତୁମମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିବି। ପ୍ରଥମେ ଆମେ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିବା ମାଇ ଗ୍ରେଟେଷ୍ଟ ଅଲିମ୍ପିକ ପ୍ରାଇଜ। ଦେଖ ପିଲାମାନେ ପ୍ରୋଜର ପ୍ରଥମ ବିଷୟ ହେଉଛି ମାଇ ଗ୍ରେଟେଷ୍ଟ ଅଲିମ୍ପିକ ପ୍ରାଇଜ। ଜେସି ଓଏନ୍ସ ତାର ରାଇଟର ଅଛନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ତାର ମୁଁ ଆଜି ପ୍ରଥମେ 2 ମାର୍କିଆ 3 ମାର୍କିଆ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ କୋଶ୍ଚେନ ଆଲୋଚନା କରୁଛି। ପ୍ରଥମ କୋଶ୍ଚେନ କହିଛି ହ୍ୱାଟ ୱାଜ ଦ ସରପ୍ରାଇଜ ଦ awaited ଜେସି ଓଏନ୍ସ ଇନ ବର୍ଲିନ। ପିଲାମାନେ ଦେଖ ଆମର ମାଇ ଗ୍ରେଟେଷ୍ଟ ଅଲିମ୍ପିକ ପ୍ରାଇଜ ଯାର ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଚରିତ୍ରରେ ଅବତୀର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଜେସି ଓଏନ୍ସ ଯିଏ କି ଜଣେ ଲଙ୍ଗ ଜମ୍ପ ଆଥଲେଟିକ ଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ଏହି ଅଲିମ୍ପିକ କ୍ରୀଡ଼ା 1936 ମସିହା ବର୍ଲିନ ଠାରେ ଅନୁଷ୍ଠିତ ହୋଇଥିଲା ଏବଂ ଏହି ଅଲିମ୍ପିକ କ୍ରୀଡ଼ାରେ ଜେସି ଓଏନ୍ସ ଯିଏ କି ଗୋଲ୍ଡ ମେଡାଲ ଜିତିଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ତାଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ଅଟୋବାୟୋଗ୍ରାଫି ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କର ପ୍ରତିନିଧି ଥିଲେ ଲୁଜ ଲଙ୍ଗ ଏବଂ ଯାହାକୁ ସେ ହରାଇ ଆଜି ମାନେ ଅଲିମ୍ପିକ କ୍ରୀଡ଼ାରେ ବର୍ଲିନ ଠାରେ ଗୋଲ୍ଡ ମେଡାଲ ଜିତିଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କ ଜୀବନରେ ସ୍ମରଣୀୟ ସ୍ମୃତିକୁ ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ଅଟୋବାୟୋଗ୍ରାଫି ମାଇ ଗ୍ରେଟେଷ୍ଟ ଅଲିମ୍ପିକ ପ୍ରାଇଜରେ ଅବତୀର୍ଣ୍ଣ କରିଛନ୍ତି। ପ୍ରଥମ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ କହିଛି ହ୍ୱାଟ ୱାଜ ଦ୍ୟାଟ ସରପ୍ରାଇଜ ଦ୍ୟାଟ awaited ଜେସି ଓଏନ୍ସ ଇନ ବର୍ଲିନ। ଉତ୍ତର ହେଉଛି ଦି ସରପ୍ରାଇଜ ଦ୍ୟାଟ awaited ଜେସି ଓଏନ୍ସ ୱାଜ ଏ ଟଲ୍ ଜର୍ମାନ ବୟ low lungs amazing performance of hitting the feet a almost 26 feet on his practice zone। দ্বিতীয় নম্বর কোশ্চেন পিলামানে কইছি what did he learn from people about lose lung। answer ପିଲାମାନେ ହେଉଛି he learned from people about lose lung that Hitler had kept him secretly hoping him to be the winner in the jump। 3 नंबर क्वेश्चन पिलाମାନେ ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ପିଲାମାନେ क्वेश्चन ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଖାଲି तुमको डिस्कशन କରି ଦଉଛି। ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ଭିଡିଓରେ ଇଣ୍ଟରନାଲ ପରେ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ବିଷୟ ବୁଝିବା ତାପରେ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିବା। 3 ନମ୍ବର क्वेश्चन କହିଛି what made Owens determined to beat lose law। आंसर ହେଉଛି Owens was a negro, he could not tolerate Hitler's anti remarks that Germans who were Aryans were superior to all other races in the world। Moreover, Owens thought that if Lose Long won the event, it would justify the Nazis' Aryan superiority theory। It was for this reason that he was determined to beat Lose Long। 4 number question କହିଛି what were the result of the first two qualifying jumps for Owens। आंसर ପିଲାମାନେ ହେଉଛି Owens performed poorly on the first two qualifying jumps। On the first jump, he leaped from several inches beyond the takeoff board and it was a fall। On the second jump, he failed even worse। 5 number question କହିଛି why did Owens kick the feet। Owens committed the mistake of jumping several inches beyond the takeoff in both his and second trial, which were declared as no jumps। He was terribly disappointed। He feared that he would be out of the race, so he kicked the feet out of disgust। 6 number question କହିଛି who was Coubertin। এটা ବହୁତ important question। what was his idol। Coubertin answer ହେଉଛି Coubertin was the founder of the modern Olympic Games। His idol was that in life not winning, but fighting in right spirit was very important. 7 number question କହିଛି why was Luz Long been called a fine example of Coubertin's idol? Luz Long has been called a fine example of Coubertin's idol because the former took a leaf out of the latter's book. The important thing in the Olympic Games is not winning but taking part. The essential thing in life is not conquering but fighting well. 8 number question जो selective question होची why were nationalistic feeling running high during the 1936 Summer Olympic in Berlin? Answer होची पिलामाने the nationalistic feeling were running high during the 1936 Summer Olympics in Berlin because Adolf Hitler childishly instead instead that the German performers were member of master race. 9 number question is why did Owens lose his confidence? Owens lost his confidence after he had been good performance of Lose Long. He got nervous and tensed. Out of the nervousness has failed twice during the trials of practice leaves. Observing Lose Long high quality performance in trial leaves, he started losing his confidence. Next question ପିଲାମାନେ ଯିବା how did Luz Long help Jesse Owens in qualifying for the final jump? जी Jesse Owens को Luz Long किपरि क्वालिफाई करिया पई फाइनल जंप रे साहाय्य करितले ता उत्तर होची Luz Long suggested Owens to draw a line a few inches at the back of the board and aim at marking the takeoff from there. This suggestion really worked and helped Owens in qualifying for the final jumps. 11 number question କହିଛି how did Luz Long encourage Owens? Luz Long understood Owens' anger and he tried his best to assure him that he would come out with flying colors in the last qualifying round. He taught Owens that the technique of winning in the qualifying trials. 12 number question what was the greatest Olympic prize from Jesse Owens? The greatest Olympic prize for Jesse Owens was the friendship he formed with Luz Long. When Jesse Owens won the gold medal, Luz Long congratulated him by shaking his hand and with a heartfelt smile. So Jesse Owens' friendship with Luz Long was his greatest Olympic prize. Last question pilamane who were Perry the Coubertin, what is idol? Perry the Coubertin is known as the founder of modern Olympic Games. His idol was that to win game was not so important as playing it was with a true sportsman spirit. Daffodils ଏବେ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିବା ଆମର ଗୀତ ଅଛି Daffodils ଯାହାର ପୋଏଟ ଅଛନ୍ତି ବା କବି ହଉଛନ୍ତି ୱିଲିୟମ ୱାର୍ଡସୱାର୍ଥ ପିଲାମାନେ ଦେଖ এই কবিতাটি কবিଙ୍କର ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିଗତ ଅନୁଭୂତିକୁ ଭାବପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଭାବେ ପରିପ୍ରକାଶ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଥରେ ବୁଲୁ ବୁଲୁ କବି ୱାର୍ଡସୱାର୍ଥ ଏକ ହ୍ରଦ କୂଳରେ ସୁନେଲି ରଙ୍ଗର ଡାଫୋଡିଲ ଫୁଲର ସମ୍ଭାର ପବନ ହଳରେ ଦୋଳି ଖେଳୁଥିବାର ଦେଖିବାକୁ ପାଇଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ସେହି ଫୁଲ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ କବିଙ୍କୁ ଉଜ୍ଜଳ ରାତିର ଆକାଶରେ ଚିକିମିକି କରୁଥିବା ଅସଂଖ୍ୟ ତାରାମାନଙ୍କୁ ମନେ ପକେଇ ଦେଇଥିଲା ଏବଂ ସେହି ଫୁଲ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ହଲାଇ ଜୀବନ୍ତ ନୃତ୍ୟ କଲା ଭଳି ପ୍ରତୀୟମାନ ହେଉଥିଲା ଲହରୀ ମଳା ଡେଇଁ ଡେଇଁ ନୃତ୍ୟ କରୁଥିଲେ ଏହି ଫୁଲର ଏହି ସୁନ୍ଦର ଫୁଲ ଗୁଡ଼ିକର ଆନନ୍ଦ ତାଠାରୁ ଅଧିକ ଅନେକ ଗୁଣର ଥିଲା ସମଗ୍ର ପରିବେଶ ଆନନ୍ଦ ବିଭୋର ଥିଲା ଏବଂ ସେହି ଆନନ୍ଦ କବିଙ୍କ ହୃଦୟକୁ କବଳିତ କରିଥିଲା ସେହି ଦୃଶ୍ୟ କବିଙ୍କ ମନରେ ଆଉ ଏକ ଗଭୀର ପ୍ରଭାବ ପକାଇଥିଲା ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ଡାଫୋଡିଲର ସମାରି ଯେ କବି ଯେତେବେଳେ ହ୍ରଦ ନିକଟରେ ବୁଲୁଥିଲେ ସେତେବେଳେ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଡାଫୋଡିଲ ଫୁଲ ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ଦେଖୁଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ତା ସୌନ୍ଦର୍ଯ୍ୟରେ ମନମୁଗ୍ଧ କରାଇଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ସେ ଫୁଲ ଗୁଡ଼ିକର ନୃତ୍ୟକୁ ସେ ଆକାଶରେ ତାରାମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ତୁଳନା କରିଥିଲେ ଏ ପିଲାମାନେ ଦେଖ ଜଷ୍ଟ ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ତାର ସାରାଂଶ କହିଲି ଏବେ ତାର क्वेश्चन गुडी को डिस्कशन करबा से को when and where did the poet see the daffodils? In the poem Daffodils, the poet Wordsworth saw the daffodil when he was walking by the side of the lake under the trees, moving their heads in a joyful motion. And that time period was around 15th April 1802. 1802 15 एप्रिल समय कथा से वर्णना करिसंती. द्वितीय क्वेश्चन, what was the poet compare the daffodils with? What is the similarity between the two? The poet compares the daffodils with the countless shining stars in the Milky Way. The long stretch of daffodils in never-ending line along the margin of the bay looks as shining as the never-ending countless star on the Milky Way. 3 नंबर क्वेश्चन पिला माने कहिछि मात्र 4टा सिलेक्शन क्वेश्चन छुआ करिछि एटार. 3 नंबर कहिछि व्हाट डज द पोएट कंपेयर द daffodils beside the lake with the stars on the Milky Way? The stars on the Milky Way twinkle continuously, being innumerable, and the daffodils beside the lake in the same way danced and swayed in the breeze as if having no end. 4 number question कहिछि what impact did the dancing daffodils have on the point? Last question ର उत्तर कहिछि the sight of dancing daffodils had a lasting positive impact on the poet. The poet is mesmerized by the daffodils' beauty and seems to be happy mood. He could not take eyes of this beautiful sight. It gives a great pleasure to the poet. ଏବେ ପିଲାମାନେ ଆମେ ଷ୍ଟୋରି କୁ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିବା ନାଇଟିଙ୍ଗେଲ ଏଣ୍ଡ ଦି ରୋଜ. ଏବେ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିବା ନାଇଟିଙ୍ଗେଲ ଦି ରୋଜ. ପ୍ରଥମ କ୍वेଶ୍ଚନ why does the young student find the red rose? The Nightingale and the Rose गाल्पिक होउचंती ऑथर होउचंती ऑस्कार वाइल्ड. The Nightingale and the Rose गल्परे जणे निजर एकांत विश्वास निमंते जीवन उत्सर्ग करिवार फलाफल पर आलोकपात करा जायछि. एही गल्परे बुलबुल पक्षी एक गल्पर मुख्य चरित्र. प्रेमर चिरंतनता को बजाय रखिबा पई पक्षीटी तार जीवन को उत्सर्ग करि देछि. से चिंता करिछि जे छात्रटी जीवन रे यह एक भिन्न अवस्था सृष्टि करिवो, तेणु तार चरम उत्सर्ग विफलतार पर्यवेक्षित होइछि. तेणु आलोच्य गल्परे बुलबुल पक्षीर अवदान कटी वर्णना करा जायछि. ऑक्सफोर्ड रो जणे युव छात्र प्रेम करिछन जणे प्रोफेसर जियो को. जदि से प्रेमिका को पाई गोटिए लाल गोलापर फूल आनिबे, तेणु तरुण प्रेमिका तांग संगे नृत्य प्रदर्शन करे बोली शर्त रखिछि. जेतले छात्रटी दुखरे भांगी पड़िछि, से चारिआडे खोजिछि, लाल गोलापर संधान पाई नाही. किंतु बुलबुल पक्षी लाल रंगर गोलाप पाइबा पई युवकर व्याकुलता को देखि निजर जीवनर प्रतिदान रे लाल गोलाप सृष्टि करिछि एवं निज जीवन विनिमय से लाल गोलापटी को युवक देइछि. एटा होछि गल्पर सार वस्तु. एबे हम आलोचना करबा प्रथम क्वेश्चन छ इंपोर्टेंट देखा से why does the young student find for a red rose? उत्तर the professor daughter requested specially a red rose from the love stricken young student for the sake of dancing with him. Only with the flower the girl will respond to his request for love. But the young student finds no red rose in his garden. His happiness is linked with this beautiful flower. Therefore, the young student finds for red rose. द्वितीय क्वेश्चन को जी why does the nightingale admire the young student? उत्तर होची the young student plunges into sorrow because she does not find a red rose for the professor's daughter whom he loves deeply. She requests specially a red rose from him as token of true love, but he is hopeless. He visualizes a radiant dream of the girl dancing with him. If he brings her red rose without Its dream will collapse like a house of cards. He will be lonely. The nightingale understands the feeling of the forlorn lover and therefore admires young student. Next question is how does the rose tree growing beneath the student's door agree to give her a red rose? उत्तर होची in response to her request for a red rose, the rose tree growing beneath the student's door demand a high price from the nightingale. As winter has destroyed his birds, she would flesh for her heart closer to the throne. In other words, she is required to pinch her own heart against the throne of a white rose to turn it red with her own blood. In this way, the rose tree glowing beneath the student's door agrees to give her a red rose. এটা পরীক্ষার পিলাମାନେ নিশ্চয় ଆସିବ ବହୁତ important question. ଲାଷ୍ଟ question ବି ଅଛି important. 4 number question discussion କରିବା ପିଲାମାନେ এই question ଟି ପରୀକ୍ଷାରେ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଆସିବ ବହୁତ important ସବୁବେଳେ ପରୀକ୍ଷାରେ ଆସେ. Why does the nightingale decide to get a red rose at the cost of her life? Answer: the rose tree agrees to give the nightingale a rose provided she sing throughout the night, pressing her heart against the throne, and the white rose will turn red with her own blood. It means her ultimate sacrifice. The nightingale thinks that nothing is as precious as love, and she will pay a heavy price for a red rose. Nevertheless, love is supreme. Life is inferior to it. The nightingale understands the importance of the love of young student, and he hence decided to get it at the cost of her life. Last question. What does the student write about the nightingale in his notebook? पिलाटी नोटबुक रे नाइटिंगेल कौन लिखितला? The young student fails to understand anything from the nightingale's words. He doubts her feeling. He identifies the nightingale with most artists who were stylish but not sincere. She does not understand the language of sacrifice. Music is her life. Her voice sounds melodious. Her songs are meaningless. They lack practical value. He expresses pity for the nightingale. These are the students of feeling about the nightingale which he writes in the notebook. Last question ପିଲାମାନେ ଆମେ ଯିବା ଯେ the doctor's word ଶେଷ ବିଷୟ the doctor's word ଏଟା ब्यूटीफुल गोटे स्टोरी तार अथर होचंती गाल्पिक होचंती ऑस्कार वाइल्ड हेले नाइटिंगेल रे आउ द डॉक्टर्स वर्ड तार पिला माने राइटर होचंती आर के नारायण द डॉक्टर्स वर्ड राइटर होचंती आर के नारायण जणे डाक्तर तांकर दक्षता एवं आश्वासना वाणी माध्यम रे रोगी मानकर जीवन बंचाइता अति खराब अवस्था रे जणे रोगी पाई जणे डाक्तरंकर शांतनामूलक कथा गुड़िक चमत्कार भावे काम करे काल्पनिक कथा वस्तुर डाक्तर चरित्र होचंती डॉक्टर रमन जी कियार जीवंत उदाहरण नारायणंकर गल्प गुड़िकर पृष्ठभूमि होची दक्षिण भारतीय सहर मालगुड़ी डाक्तर रमन रोगर सठिक कारण निरूपण करिबा अप्रिय सत्य कथा कहवा कारण प्रसिद्ध अर्जन कर कथा अधिक गुरुत्व दिया जाए से जने साधारण डाक्तर भावे निजर मतामत शुणाई नथांती बरं जने विचारपति भावे राय शुणाई थांती जेतेबेले तांकर घनिष्ठ बंधु गोपालंकर अस्त्रोपचार करिसंती से एक नैतिक द्वंद्व रे पड़िसंती এই গল্পরে চতুরতার সহ সেই সত্যর প্রকটন ঘটিছে এଠାରେ রমণଙ୍କର ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିଗତ ନୈତିକତା ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଦ୍ୱନ୍ଦ୍ୱ ଉପୁଜିଛି ଏବଂ ବନ୍ଧୁଙ୍କ ହିତ ପାଇଁ ନୀତିଦିନିଆ ସତ କହିବାର ଅଭ୍ୟାସରୁ ଷଷ୍ଠ ଭାବରେ ବିଚ୍ୟୁତ ହୋଇଛନ୍ତି ଡାକ୍ତର ରମଣ ରୋଗୀର ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଓ ରୋଗୀକୁ କେବଳ ତାଙ୍କ କଥା ଶୁଣିବାକୁ କହିଛନ୍ତି ଯେହେତୁ ପ୍ରକୃତ ସତ୍ୟ ରୋଗୀର କ୍ଷତି ଘଟାଇପାରେ এই গল্পরে ভেষজ বিজ্ঞান সম্বন্ধে অনেক তথ্য নিপুণ ভাবে আলোচনা করা হয়েছে साधारणतः जदि डॉक्टर स्वाट डॉक्टर पदीए कथा किपरि जणे रोगी को मृत्यु मुखर बंचेई पारे ता सुंदर भाव रे गाळिपिक नारायण वर्णना करिसंती। देखो पिला माने डॉक्टर स्वाट जस्ट मु सारांश कहली आरो दीटा मात्र सिलेक्शन क्वेश्चन करिछि जाकि तुमान को सहित बे आलोचना करूछि। प्रथम क्वेश्चन होछि व्हाई डिड डॉक्टर रमन डिसाइड टू टेल ए लाई। उत्तर होछि गोपाल इंस्टेड Dr. Rahman on telling the truth about his condition. He was keen in singing the will that he had already been prepared. Gopal was very sick and requested the truthful prognosis to settle his will and avoid the never-ending misery for his wife and children. Then the unsettled will would have entered. If the doctor would reveal his critical opinion, Gopal would not survive that night. Then it would be virtually signify a death sentence and put an end to the slimest chance for the patient's survival. Therefore, the Dr. Raman decided to tell lie. Last question. How did he answer Gopal's question? Dr. Raman, Dr. Raman could not remain silent in the face of Gopal's question how long he was going to survive. His patient and friend was bent on singing the will before his death. Dr. Raman did a piece of acting and assured him that he was improving every second. He advised Gopal to sleep in peace and avoid extortion. In other words, the doctor assured him of his survival. पिलामन देखो आज मु चारोटी विषयर समस्त 2 मार्किया 3 मार्किया क्वेश्चन आलोचना कली। मु आशा करूची क्वेश्चन गुडी को परीक्षा रे निश्चय आसीबो पिलामन तमे प्रैक्टिस करि दबो। मु आज खाली क्वेश्चन गुडी को कहि देली मु उत्तर गुडो खाली जस्ट रीडिंग कर देली किंतु इंटरनल परीक्षा परे मु आउ जो विषय गुडी को रहिला प्रत्येक विषय गुडी को पुंखानुपुंख को बुझेई ता क्वेश्चन गुडी को आलोचना करिवि। सेति में हम चैनल को पिला माने वाच करथुबो दीपसार ज्ञान दी यूट्यूब चैनल आ परीक्षा रे कि अधिक मार्क मु चेष्टा करिवि। तेनु वीडियो यदि भल लागतो नि ते लाइक करिवो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिवो एवं निश्चय सबल वाच करो।